What's up guys, it's Romel back with another video, and today, before I even get into the video, let me just apologize for not vlogging in like 6 months or like 1 year. I've just been so busy, haven't got that much time, but today I'll be doing the Subway Surfers challenge, and I've never actually seen a YouTuber do it, so you'll have to try get 900 or 1,000 coins. So yeah, let me just do a fake. This is not when I was actually born. This will be like a fake, you know. I'm just going to be like faking that I was actually born when I wasn't. Yeah. I hear back on it. Okay, yeah. Oh wait, no. I wanna load all my progress. Welcome to Dubai. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like the theme is Dubai. So let's go. As you can see, my character's quite like a robot or something. Guys, I'm so sorry for it lagging. Like, I tried filming this video earlier on yesterday now, because it's like it's kind of like, it's literally 1:32 in the morning. So let's say about 3-4 tried filming, and then me and my friends said that we're gonna stay up and play Roblox. And I was thinking to do a video like about Roblox, but then I was like, oh no point. But yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. Can we get like 15,000 likes on this video and 20,000 subscribers, and that would be absolutely amazing. Guys, make sure you turn on your notifications every time, so you know, so you'll know every time I make a video. And yeah, you never know, I might make a football channel. I might do a video with a football challenge video, you never know. And yeah, so if you want to, and make sure to all my subscribers, go and subscribe to my friend Riffy. If you don't know him, his name is Riffy's Football Challenges. So go and subscribe to him. Shout out to Riffy's Football Challenges. Yeah, and also shout out to another one of my friends, Riley. I've been into one of his videos, but I'm not sure if he posted it or not. But yeah, just, you know, subscribe to them. If you can't, it's okay. But yeah, that's it. But if you want to get shouted out in my videos, press the like button, press the notifications bar, turn on your notifications, and then comment down below, shout out. And yeah, then in my next video I will shout you, and I'll do all the people who done it. You asked for a shout out. So yeah, I'm nearly on my way to like 300 guys, you know. But I think after this video, after I've edited, I must probably go to bed, because it's literally Saturday now. Because I literally had school yesterday, Friday. Literally, I'm making it seem like the days is we're halfway through the day. Hold on guys, sorry. My TV is messing up for some reason. I'm pure dark. But yeah guys, if you want me to do more videos like this, comment down below. If you want me to do like a green of fire, and what do you call it, video, just comment down below. Ask, I'll read what you want. Just comment down below and tell me what you want me to do, upload and stuff in it. Obviously I'll listen to you. You're obviously my subscribers, so if you want something, I'll obviously try and provide it for you in my videos. So yeah, we have 610. I think I might go for 1,000, but yeah, I only have one try. So yeah. So I think I'm doing pretty well. Oh god. Oh, I still have a key, so it's calm. Oh my god. Hopefully it will let me do a video. Hopefully. If we don't have a video, you know, that'll be kind of peak. Okay, so you know, I still got 793, which is calm. So yeah guys, that will be it for today's video. As you can see, I got 793. So yeah, and that's how much coins I've collected on my account. 2,000. Like, I've collected a lot, to be honest. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Catch you guys like today, but later on after I've woken up. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your your notifications. Remember, if you want to shout out, like the video, put your notifications on, comment down below, shout out, and I'll most probably shout you out in my next video. So thank you guys for watching. Please relax, subscribe. Catch you guys tomorrow, today. I'm gonna start calling you I'm trying to look for a new name for you guys. So yeah, maybe when I wake up, I'll find a good name for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please relax, subscribe. Catch you guys later. Bye.